To use the Revolve tool in Profile Builder, first create a profile, then click the Revolve Profile button, then click the first point that will define the location of the revolution. The next point you click will define the orientation, or the direction of the revolve axis. Now before you click, you can change the number of sides of the revolution just by entering a value in the measurements box. For example, if I change to 3, I'll get this sort of shape. And as I increase the number of sides, I get a more rounded shape. Revolve profiles are a little bit different than normal profiles because not all of the orientation attributes are used. For example, the placement point parameter is not used for Revolve profiles. As well, the offsets are also not used. However, you can adjust the rotation angle as well as the mirror property, the width and the height. All these properties will result. But no matter what you use for these properties, the rotation will always be done around the axis on the far left-hand side of the profile, right here. A nice feature of the Revolve tool is that it can be used to automatically position textures on a profile. If we change to a metal material and then apply that to these shapes using the Edit Member properties, make sure we have material selected and then hit Apply. You can see that the texture is nicely positioned around all the objects. Thanks for watching.